Did you know that your cozy carpet could be harboring a dirty little secret? Beneath that soft, inviting surface lies a world teeming with allergens and irritants that can affect your health and well-being. It's true. Carpet can trap a staggering 100 times more allergens than hardwood floors. This means that every step you take on your carpet could be stirring up a cloud of dust, pollen, and other microscopic particles. Think about it: dust mites, pet dander, pollen. They all become trapped in carpet fibers, creating a haven for allergens. These tiny invaders can thrive in the depths of your carpet, making it difficult to keep your home truly clean. This can be a nightmare for allergy sufferers, turning their homes into sneeze-inducing zones. For those with asthma or other respiratory conditions, the presence of these allergens can exacerbate symptoms and lead to discomfort. If you or a loved one battle allergies, choosing hardwood floors could be a breath of fresh air, literally. Hardwood floors do not trap allergens, making it easier to maintain a cleaner and healthier living environment. Hardwood floors with their smooth, solid surface offer little refuge for these microscopic troublemakers. Unlike carpet, which can hold onto dust and dander, hardwood floors allow you to easily remove these particles. Dust and allergens rest on the surface, making them easy to sweep, vacuum, or mop away. Regular cleaning becomes more effective, reducing the overall allergen load in your home. This ease of cleaning translates into a healthier home environment, especially for those with sensitivities. You can enjoy peace of mind knowing that your living space is less likely to trigger allergic reactions. Imagine waking up without that stuffy nose or not having to avoid certain rooms because of allergy triggers. The benefits of hardwood floors extend beyond aesthetics. They contribute to a better quality of life. Hardwood floors can make a real difference in your family's well-being. They provide a durable, easy-to-clean surface that supports a healthier lifestyle for everyone in the household. But what about that soft, plush feeling of carpet underfoot? While carpet can offer comfort and warmth, it's important to weigh these benefits against the potential health risks associated with allergen accumulation. Regular vacuuming and professional cleaning can help manage allergens in carpeted areas, but it may not be enough for those with severe allergies. Consider your family's specific needs when choosing flooring options. Transitioning to hardwood floors can be a worthwhile investment in your health. The initial cost may be higher, but the long-term benefits of reduced allergens and easier maintenance can outweigh the expense. Ultimately, the choice between carpet and hardwood floors depends on your lifestyle and health priorities. For those seeking a cleaner, allergen-free environment, hardwood floors are a clear winner. Make the decision that best supports your family's health and happiness. A cleaner home is a healthier home, and hardwood floors can help you achieve that goal. Choosing flooring for your home is an investment, both financially and aesthetically. It's a decision that will impact your daily life, the ambiance of your home, and even its resale value. The right flooring can transform a space, making it feel more inviting, stylish, and comfortable. You want a floor that will stand the test of time, both in terms of durability and style. This means considering not just how the floor looks now, but how it will look and perform years down the line. Will it withstand the wear and tear of daily life? Will it remain stylish as trends change? Here's where hardwood floors truly shine. Known for their timeless beauty and incredible durability, hardwood floors can elevate any room. They bring a natural warmth and elegance that other flooring types often struggle to match. While carpets typically last around 5 to 15 years, hardwood floors can grace your home for generations with proper care. Carpets may need to be replaced multiple times over the years, but hardwood, with its ability to be refinished, can look as good as new even after decades of use. We're talking 30, 50, even 100 years. Imagine a floor that not only lasts but also gains character and charm as it ages. Each scratch and mark tells a story, adding to the unique history of your home. This longevity makes hardwood a wise investment. While the initial cost may be higher than other flooring options, the long-term benefits far outweigh the upfront expense. Over time, hardwood floors can actually save you money, as you won't need to replace them as frequently as other types of flooring. Imagine the stories your hardwood floors could tell, from the pitter-patter of little feet to the joyous celebrations of holidays and family gatherings. These floors become a part of your family's history. They witness the growth and changes in your home, holding memories within their grains. They could witness your children's first steps, holiday gatherings, and countless memories made within your home. Each moment leaves an imprint, making your hardwood floors a living testament to the life lived within those walls. Of course, carpets offer a certain softness and warmth that many homeowners love. They provide a cushioned surface that's perfect for lounging, playing, and adding a cozy feel to bedrooms and living areas. And there are so many styles and colors to choose from. Whether you prefer a bold, vibrant pattern or a subtle, neutral tone, there's a carpet to match your taste in decor. Carpets can also help with sound insulation, making rooms quieter and more comfortable. But if you're looking for a flooring option that will truly stand the test of time, hardwood is the clear winner. Its unmatched durability, timeless appeal, and ability to grow more beautiful with age make it a standout choice for any home. So, when making your decision, consider the lasting impact of your flooring choice on your home and your life. Let's talk numbers. When it comes to upfront costs, carpet generally ranges from $2 to $8 per square foot, while hardwood comes in a bit higher at $5 to $15 per square foot. Yes, you read that right. Hardwood floors do require a larger initial investment. However, remember that this cost is offset by their impressive lifespan. While you may need to replace carpet multiple times over the years, your hardwood floors will keep on shining, becoming a cherished part of your home's history. Think of it as an investment in the future of your home. Hardwood floors are renowned for their durability. They can handle heavy foot traffic, playful pets, and the occasional drop dish without complaint. However, they are susceptible to scratches and dents, especially from heavy furniture or sharp objects. Carpet, on the other hand, offers a softer landing for those inevitable tumbles and spills. It's also more forgiving when it comes to everyday wear and tear. However, carpets can stain easily, and they require regular vacuuming and deep cleaning to keep them looking their best. Section 5. Selling the dream flooring and resale value. When the time comes to sell your home, you want every detail to enhance its appeal to potential buyers. Hardwood floors are a huge selling point. They add a touch of elegance and sophistication, creating a sense of timeless beauty. In fact, studies have shown that homes with hardwood floors can sell for 3 to 5% more than comparable homes with carpet. Carpet, while cozy, can harbor allergens, show wear and tear, and date a home's appearance. This can be a turnoff for buyers who are looking for a move-in ready property. Section 6. The comfort conundrum, plush versus polished. There's no denying the cozy, inviting feeling of sinking your toes into a plush carpet. It's warm and inviting, perfect for bedrooms and living areas where comfort is key. Hardwood floors, while beautiful, lack that initial softness underfoot. However, area rugs can easily add warmth and texture to hardwood floors, creating cozy nooks within a larger space. Section 7. Beyond the surface, aesthetics and ambiance. Hardwood floors bring a timeless elegance to any home, complementing a wide range of decorating styles from classic to contemporary. Carpet, with its vast array of colors, patterns, and textures, offers endless possibilities for personalizing your space. You can go bold or subtle, classic or trendy, depending on your taste and the overall aesthetic of your home. Section 8. Maintenance matters. Keeping your floors looking their best. Both hardwood floors and carpets require regular maintenance to stay looking their best. While they each have their unique charm and benefits, they also come with their own set of challenges. Understanding the specific needs of your flooring type can help you maintain its beauty and longevity. Hardwood floors need to be swept or vacuumed regularly to remove dust and debris. This not only keeps them looking clean, but also prevents scratches and damage caused by dirt particles. Using a soft bristle broom or a vacuum with a hardwood floor attachment is ideal. They also benefit from occasional mopping with a cleaner specifically designed for hardwood floors. It's important to avoid using excessive water, as moisture can seep into the wood and cause warping or damage over time. A damp mop with a gentle cleaner will do the trick. Every few years, hardwood floors may need to be refinished to restore their shine and protect the wood. This process involves sanding down the surface to remove any imperfections and applying a new finish. It's a great way to give your floors a fresh new look and extend their lifespan. Carpet also requires regular vacuuming, ideally several times a week, to prevent dirt and allergens from becoming embedded in the fibers. This is especially important in high-traffic areas and homes with pets. A good vacuum cleaner with strong suction and a HEPA filter can make a big difference. Deep cleaning, either with a rented carpet cleaner or by hiring a professional, is recommended every 12 to 18 months to remove deep-seated dirt and grime. This process can rejuvenate your carpet, making it look and feel like new again. Regular deep cleaning also helps to maintain the carpet's texture and color, ensuring it remains a beautiful part of your home for years to come. Section 9. The final verdict, weighing your priorities. So, which flooring option reigns supreme? The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The best choice for your home depends on your individual needs, lifestyle, and priorities. If you prioritize durability, longevity, and a timeless aesthetic, hardwood floors are an excellent investment. If you crave comfort, warmth, and the ability to personalize your space with a variety of colors and textures, carpet might be the better option. Ultimately, the decision is yours.